Powersoft is a manufacturer of Class D amplification platforms with DSP, and we see our product being used more and more into the fixed install market. This year we have introduced the Duo Canali, which is a 2-channel platform, and that completes our offering of fixed install products, which consists now of a 4-channel product, the Quattro Canali, an 8-channel product, the Otto Canali, and the Duo Canali is a 2-channel product. This platform of fixed install products allows you to use 70 volt, 100 volt, low impedance loads as a mix into an entire platform, amplifier platform. So what we do in our software with our DSP is allow the user to use an amplifier standalone. So for example, in a system which is in a retail space or in a leisure environment where there's background music sources, maybe 1 or 2 microphones, you'll be able to use one of our amplifiers with DSP without any additional hardware. So no additional DSP, no additional matrixing, no additional remote control software. The amplifier will be able to serve all those needs, will be able to allow the operator or the user to change zones, to change levels, and to really start using this system standalone. So he will save a lot of extra equipment, a lot of money, and will have a system which is less complex, so it will be less vulnerable for different kind of use or for operator errors.